Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move emoji using your face on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can click on this plus button to create a new post on TikTok. Then I'm just going to upload a video from my device. I'm going to upload this video and I'm going to move the emoji using this girl's face. First of all, we can click on the sticker button and then select emoji, and you can choose the emoji you would like to add to your TikTok video. And I'm gonna go with this one, for example. And we can adjust the position of the emoji. Then click on the emoji and click on pin, and we can adjust the emoji. I'm going to zoom in like this, and we can adjust the position one by one like this until the emoji can follow the moving face. Okay. Right guys, you can do it one by one until the rest of the video. And once you're done, you can click on pin, and you just need to wait for a moment until the process has completed. Again, this is the result guys. As you can see that the emoji can follow the moving face. Alright guys, and that's how we can move emoji using our face on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.